Hello everyone, this is Spring Porter with Spring Solutions LLC. In today's video, I'm going to be covering the state of Michigan and the state of Montana. And I'm going to show you, the unclaimed funds locator, showing you about how many cases there are with unclaimed funds for those districts. And then I'll be showing you the bankruptcy court websites, and we'll be locating the instruction packets and the policies and procedures for filing unclaimed funds. Please note that I am not an attorney. This information is not indicated as legal advice. This is strictly for research purposes only. If you're a funds locator or someone who's trying to understand bankruptcy unclaimed funds. A few things, I have gotten a few calls and emails from viewers who are wanting me to review court documents for them and to review cases with them. I don't have a problem with doing that, but that does come with a fee. It's a $75 charge that I would need in order for me to review the case with you. Now, this is not something that I would ask unless it's under contract. So once you've found a lead that you want to work, you've called them yourself, and you've gotten them to get under contract with you, then I will review the case from there. I'll help you with all the other documents, sort of the next steps, scenarios, what to do next, and I would review the court docket after it gets mailed in. So I'll be checking for, the next step, what needs to be, submitted to the court. Maybe there's a deficiency notice of some sort, something you forgot, or something that the court is asking extra of you. So I would walk you through the whole case from beginning to end, essentially, for a $75 charge. Also, I'm going to be including in the description box my email address. That's the best way to reach me, is email. And I'm also going to be putting in my Cash App ID. I will be accepting donations. If you're interested or you're so inclined to helping me, that would be great. As you know, I have a lot of free information. I have close to 40, maybe 50 now, I guess, videos with free information. I am in the process of working on a online course. It is going to be very detailed, but I want it to be concise. I'm trying not to make it too long. It will have similar information on what I'm doing in these videos. However, it will be in a course outline. It will be listed, bullet points, a list. It will be in order. I will have documents and contracts in the course. I had contracts previously when I was on an online course myself. I had taken an online course, which I'm no longer a part of, because nobody there was familiar with bankruptcy unclaimed funds. And it seems like I was the guru, and this is happening organically, is what I'm saying to you. The contracts that I used then, I am not using now. So that's why I haven't covered them on my channel. I can't give everything away for free. So I am working on an online course. I will let you know when that launches, and I'm not sure yet the price point. I'll try to make it reasonable, and I'll let you know when that happens. So let's get into the video. Let's start with Michigan. Michigan appears to have two districts, the Western and the Eastern. The Eastern district has close to 18,000, so 17,900. And if I come over to the Eastern District of Bankruptcy Court website, it looks like this court location is in Bay City, Detroit, and Flint. So it's covering these three cities. And the unclaimed fund portal is here. It has an affidavit of claimant. And then let's see, the application itself. And then it has instructions. I like the way they list their instructions. They make it this is how I would write it. Very simple. Step 1 and step 2. So it has their instructions there. It has an order. This is the order. Again, when you're doing an application for unclaimed funds, that's a petition essentially. And when you have a petition or a motion to the court, there's always a court order. The judge has to rule on what it is that you're asking. So this is the order. And there's proof of service. I have a video on certificate of service. It looks like this is specific depending on which city you're mailing it to. So I guess, whatever address. And then it has the tax information. All right, so this is the Eastern District. Again, they have about 17,000. And let's go back to the beginning, and I'll show you the Western District of Michigan. So we click that, and this has about 6,300. So all in all, I mean, there are a lot of claims. Again, some may be really small. Just search, which ones you would like to work on, and come over to their website, which is the U.S. Bankruptcy Court, Western District of Maryland. And if I click on, let's see, unclaimed funds is here. And it looks like this is the requirements. And here it tells you what you need, suggested forms of evidence or documents. If you're a company, this is what you need. And here's the application itself. So it's here. Formula writing, as always, there's an affidavit for this district. It looks like their proof of service and certificate of service is the same thing. And it looks like they just put it on a separate sheet. So again, not all districts look the same. Some have the heading and then they have certificate of service. Not everything is the same, but this is the order. So you just need a few sheets, and it looks like in the beginning there's the instructions again. So this is the Eastern District, and then there's a W-9 as well. So again, the Eastern District, they used a different tax form, and this one they use a W-9. So always pay attention to this. Same state and different district, different rules. All right, and then this covers, let's see which area this covers. So Grand Rapids, Kalamazoo, Lansing, Traverse City, and Marquette, or Marquette, they say. Marquette's my real name, my first name, and they pronounce it Marquette, I believe. But at any rate, that is Western District. And then, let's see, Montana is next. So Montana only has that one district, and this is a small amount. There's only about 646 claims for this district. But hey, it could change at any moment. I mean, with the way this pandemic is going, and then you have now these riots that are going on, it's just turbulent times, really. I do foresee that bankruptcy will be on the incline for sure. A lot of companies are going out of business. They're having to sell things. Nobody's buying anything. So I suspect we're going to have an incline in unclaimed funds and bankruptcy cases pretty soon. District of Montana. This is the application here. And it looks like they follow just the official form. The official form for application of unclaimed funds is 1340, and we've seen this in a few of the other videos that I've done when I do this. So again, you see the similarities in some, you see the differences in some. And this is their tax ID information that you need to fill out. So that is there. And the instructions are after that. All right, so it looks like the state of Michigan has quite a few in the Western District, Eastern District together. I mean, close to what, 20,000 or so? And then Montana has just about 646. All right, so this is the Midwest, Michigan and Montana, and these are their claims. So please let me know if this video is helpful for you. Please again check my description box with my information in there, the $75 fee information that I was discussing with you, my email address if you have questions, Please like, subscribe, and share the videos that I've created. Please let me know in the comment section on the video if you'd like to see something else. Again, keep in mind I am working on an online course, so there's some information that I'm not going to give out for free, um, as I've given out a lot already for free. But please, like, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.